In a world dominated by rugged design, 4K footage, and GoPro versus DJI rivalry, DJI is gearing up to drop a bombshell in 2025 with the Osmo Action 6. If you're an adrenaline junkie, filmmaker, vlogger, or outdoor adventurer, brace yourself. This camera isn't just another refresh. It's a radical leap forward, combining cutting-edge stabilization, AI-powered tracking, enhanced low-light performance, and confirmed specs that put even GoPro Hero 13 on notice. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we'll explore all confirmed specs and upgrades, release timeline and pricing expectations, the tech powering this beast, comparisons to Osmo Action 5, Hero 12, and Insta360. Why the Osmo Action 6 might just be the ultimate camera for creators in 2025. DJI knows its audience, and they're doubling down on what works. The Osmo Action 6 continues the dual-screen design, but with a more refined frameless chassis, improved heat dissipation, and a lighter magnesium alloy body. Waterproof up to 18 meters, 59 feet, without housing. Front-facing 1.4-inch OLED selfie screen. Rear 2.25-inch touchscreen with higher brightness. Reinforced lens cover with Gorilla Glass DX. Upgraded mic ports for cleaner audio in wind and water. With better ergonomics and more resistance against scratches, dust, and water, this is the ultimate travel camera for any terrain. Let's break down the confirmed internal upgrades that set the Osmo Action 6 apart from its predecessor. 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, confirmed, same size as DJI Air 3 camera. f/2.0 wide-angle lens, 155 degrees ultra-wide field of view. 48 MP stills with enhanced RAW support. Native 10-bit D-Log M color profile. HDR video capture with improved contrast mapping. Low light performance is significantly improved over the Action 5, thanks to the larger sensor and smarter exposure engine. DJI's Osmo Action 6 is designed to rival premium action cams, and possibly small cinema cameras, with its powerful new video features. 4K at 120 frames per second with EIS, electronic image stabilization. 2.7K at 240 frames per second, 1080p up to 480 frames per second. Active HDR video up to 4K per 60 frames per second. Rocksteady 4.0 plus Horizon Steady Pro for ultra-smooth footage. Full sensor 8K time-lapse mode. Hyperlapse and slow motion modes with time warp transitions. Whether you're on a mountain bike, snowboarding, diving, or shooting cinematic B-roll, the clarity, smoothness, and depth of field are nothing short of revolutionary. DJI is bringing some incredible computational power into this model. Rocksteady 4.0 uses real-time gyroscopic data and predictive AI to stabilize footage better than ever, even at 4K/120. Horizon Steady Pro maintains complete horizon lock, no matter the roll. Auto-leveling AI, perfect for one-handed shots and unpredictable terrain. Voice Command 2.0 with offline functionality. Gesture control for shooting without touching the camera. This makes the Osmo